Alrighty, boys, here we go. Cecil County, we are here with Apollo. We adjusted the ship's points, so we are shifting right at red line, which is perfect. And car feels good, Apollo. Everything feels great. Was just popping the hood, let it cool down, checking on everything. And look who is also rolling in, Mick Gallopy. So last time, Chuck went a 10.9, and we're going to see if we can beat that record now. He's running actually XE85 today. I wish we had some really, really good E, but we got it at the pump, so that's all we really need. We're kind of here before the track's even open. They're getting set up, not racing until 6, but... Is that McApplebee's? Holy! Come on, Chuck, let's get her going. 128, baby. All right, temps are looking pretty good. We need to make sure we do a nice fat burnout on this one. I want to make sure we really hook. Come on, motherfucker! Let's go, baby! Still felt slow, but that bitch ate. Holy shit, that motherfucker was moving. That 1-2 though, it banged. I felt it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, baby. First pass, driving 45 minutes here, 994 at 140 miles an hour. 1560 foot, 113 to the 8th. Not bad, boys, not bad. Definitely a good start for Apollo. So the DA is actually pretty high right now. It was sitting, literally, when we made our 10.3 pass, it's like almost 2,300 feet higher than it was. So the DA is pretty horrible right now. I think it's like 13 or 1,400 feet above sea level, which it should be dropping later tonight. We're gonna let the car cool off. I know the transmission's probably very, very warm, so now at this power level, we can't go back to back. We gotta let the car cool off, but super stoked. 994, 140, and that's awesome. I'm so excited. That thing was moving. Bees just ran another 10-second pass for the book, so I can say we're officially a 10-second car. Chuck, that's my dude.
That felt faster. I thought it was a good pass.
Dude, on the 1-2 shift, you almost did a wheelie half freaking track.
Dude, I was like, oh, that's at least a 10.8.
I think we need to dial back in the suspension.
Yeah, I'm kind of pissed because I thought it was faster than
Hey,
that.
10.9 is a 10.9. You literally are intake, headers, and E85.
Now I'm getting pissed about that.
Well, did you see what I ran?
No.
Oh, grab that time slip in there, Chief.
18? Holy shit.
994.
A 1.5. You ever done that before?
I did a 1.5. I did a 1.5 NA with the converter, but now I'm actually cutting 1.5 just with the power.
Holy shit. You're all gonna be in the 5 and the 8 soon.
Almost there.
Shit. Well, that's a good start.
Yeah,
Nice.
still in the
At least
9s.
No one's here.
Yeah, at least
Look,
no one's
there's
here.
not even a line.
Dude, there's literally no one here. It's perfect.
That thing's too fast. Good job.
Thank you, brother.
I didn't know you were gonna go 9.9 off the bat like that.
Hey, 40 minutes, 45 minutes here, 45 minutes back. She's a street car, baby.
Yeah, you didn't even trailer it here today.
No, I didn't have time. Right after work, I said, hell with it. We driving it. Well, I'm happy.
That's good.
Load her up.
That's good. We're ready to leave now.
Yeah, we're good. End the video. All right, boys. Round number 2 with Apollo. Apollo's definitely more than cooled off right now. Feels real good. All right, baby. Let's get it going. like this on me. Woo, baby, I was not lifting. Tell you all that. Felt really good. Cylinder head temp 203, inlet air 95. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hell's diggity. I told y'all, as the night gets better, the air's gonna get better. 983 at 141. Still a 1.560 foot, which isn't bad. I don't know how much better we're gonna get. I launched that one pretty good. That one I believe was at 2,000. That was a 2,000 RPM launch. 983. I'm gonna let it cool down for a good bit and probably give it one more pass. Track closed at 10, so we got a lot of time to kill. I'll tell y'all. DA is just only gonna get better. Woo, baby! Only gonna get faster. That's it. Only getting faster. Hell yeah. The magnetic ride's working so good too. I can't wait to see the outside footage. The thing is too, it's only on 10 pounds of boost. It's nothing. What I really wish is we had a nasty built Coyote. Alrighty boys, this is going to be Apollo's final pass of the evening. Let's get it going. All the temps are good. Cylinder head is 177. Pop the hood to get some better inlet air real quick, because some guy was just holding up the line a little bit. And yeah, trans is perfectly at the operating temperature. I did a little cruise around the block. We're good. Put it select shift. Make sure she's locked up in first. Got you on the iPhone cam. Shake and bake.
1042.
1042. We're ready. All right, boys. DA's a little better, like I said. I think Apollo's gonna run better here. It definitely should, just because DA's getting better. No changes are getting done to the car, by the way. It's literally just the air. The air gets better, the car's gonna run faster. So it's obviously gonna make more horsepower. And that's why I kind of want to wait it close to the...
Go, right?
Huh?
No one's telling you when to wait.
Oh, I couldn't. I thought the bike was gonna go. I'm gonna go left lane.
Left?
Yeah.
Alright, you're way behind them up here.
Yeah, all right. All right, boys. Let's get it done with Apollo. Come on. Come on, baby. What do we get, boys? What do we get? Drop a comment right now. What do we get? Last pass. Oh man, she was scooting. I love the GoPro here because you guys can watch the RPM. I can watch it too, see all the temps and everything. If it does a 9.6 right now, I'll be ecstatic. I don't think the mile an hour was, it could have been a little more. Thank you.
You're welcome.
981 at 141, baby. Getting faster and faster. So close to a 9.7. Literally knocking on the door. Wow, there it is. That is it, boys. 981 for Apollo on the 120 millimeter at 141 miles an hour with a positive DA. Is still amazing. Super happy with the car. Let's go, baby. Thing was moving. So close to a 9.7. So close. Apollo did good. I'm gonna let this thing cool off, get the car situated, and we're 45 minutes to an hour all the way back home. Let's go, baby. Love this car. Come on. 9815 at 141.40. 6 point. So 60 foot was a 1.57. The other one was a 1.58. A little bit better, but obviously you can see it showed from a 9.83 to a 9.81. Yeah, it went a little better, just a little bit. It's really consistent though. 330 is almost the same. It was a little bit faster.
A little bit faster.
Just a tad. Not
Faster
even.
ET-wise as well.
Yeah. It's just the DA. DA is getting better, and then the car's just gonna.
Dude, that's great.
Yeah, I'm happy.
I would be.
That's a good night, boys. That one's for the books right there. Check out my boy Chris's Z. Chris, thanks again for the video, brother.
No problem, buddy.
Make sure you guys check out Chris on Instagram. You guys remember him? He had the twin turbo Mustang we raced against Zeus. Super badass C6. We're definitely gonna run him with Apollo very, very soon. This thing's a monster. See ya, buddy. Be safe. Beautiful unit right there. Good night. Well, time to take this girl home, and yeah, it's raining all weekend, so I will see y'all tomorrow.